Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Yo, welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. I'm your host, it's your boy Grown. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up on this video, click that like button. Make sure you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video because I drop consistent content. Shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. You know how we get down here. Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be hitting you guys with a brand new mystery unboxing. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is something my wife picked up. I don't even know what this is, but she said I could unbox it. I just needed something to unbox to give you guys some new content because I'm just trying to keep it rolling.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Shout out to everybody, man. Your boy out here on the consistent grind. I don't even know what this is, but let's open it up. Let's see what it is. Hit that thumbs up and let's get it, man. Hope everybody is having a good day out there. Shout out to all the AT aliens and all my Ohioans. It's Grown forever, Ohio lifer. But let's open this up and let's see what it is. She said it might something about some sports merch possibly. So let's see. You know how we get down this gang all day. Shout out to them Falcons, man. We gonna be back after we fire Starkeesian. But that's another story. But let's open this up and let's see what this is. It's nice and packaged nicely. Shout out to the plug U-line and shout out to the other plug. Sprite, quench your thirst. I need that promotion. Sprite, if you watching this, holla at your boy.
What?
But anyway, let's see what this is, man. Oh man, let's go. There we go. So we got a Falcons jacket in a size extra large, all black. Something nice for this time of the year. Winter is almost up, so this will be something that'll probably just sit in the closet because, you know, Atlanta, it gets super hot here. Like we had a 66 day 2 days ago, so that's how Atlanta is. It's hot, it's cold during the winter months, but once the winter months are over, you can kiss the big jackets goodbye. So this will probably be something that'll sit in the closet. But I know my wife, she's queen frugal, queen petty. So if she picked this up, she got this for little or nothing. And this was the unboxing, guys. So that is that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace and love to each and every one of you. If you watched this video through the entire end, comment down below, get them grown. Shout out to each and every one of you guys. I have a giveaway coming soon. Hold This L Part 7 is coming soon. I got a lot of things in the works. I'm gonna be getting a live podcast on a weekly basis going soon. I got a bunch of different things I'm reaching for in the works. The daily vlog is coming soon. I have so much that's coming to this channel. So many immediate changes. I'm just trying to find a way to work everything in and still do my daily life with my wife and my job and just the future plans. But look forward, more content is coming to the Shoemanati Show. Peace and love. I see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's Grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's Grown. I'm gone.
Catch me downtown with your bitch. Downtown with your bitch. Around with your bitch.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.